Many users can collaborate in the system. Each user may have a different role, which defines which access level and permissions they have for different entities. Please see our video about managing access and permissions to learn more about this. It is possible to assign any record, for example, a product in the system, to a user, and you can set an owner for a data record. The owner and assigned user need not be the same person. The system can send direct and email notifications. The user and admin can configure which notifications should be sent and received in each case. A user may, for example, receive a notification if he is assigned a data record or is assigned as its owner. The user may also receive notification about changes in the data record. The data record may be assigned to one or more teams. If the users of that team are assigned access level team to the entity of this data record, they can view, edit or delete this record, according to the configured permissions. This is very useful if the users must work on the dataset in parallel. The product manager may, for example, edit the technical data, and the marketing manager may add marketing descriptions. If the user is interested in a data record, he can also follow it. Just click on the Follow button on the top right to follow the chosen data record. Click on the button again to unfollow it. All entities may have an activated stream. A stream includes all activities performed on a data record. It may be shown on the bottom of the page or in the side panel. All the field value and attribute value changes are recorded here, if the audited option has been activated. Let's change the product name and save the change. Now I scroll down to the stream. As you can see, a new record appears in the stream. It shows who made the change, when, and the old and new values. You can also add new notes and comments here, as well as upload files as attachments. If AtroPIM is installed, the system will automatically create new assets for these files. Markdown syntax may be also used here, if you want to add formatted text. You can also mention other users, and they automatically receive a notification of this note. Our system supports simultaneous change of the same data record and controls overwriting of the data. It is, therefore, impossible to change the field or attribute values after it has been changed by another user. Let's open the same product record in two tabs. I enter the editing mode in both tabs by clicking on the Edit button. I change the product name in the first tab and click on Save. Then in the second tab I change the value to some other value and click Save button. The system throws me an error, telling me that someone has changed the name field and asking whether I want to overwrite this value, return to the editing, or reload the page to load the new value. I can also open the product in a new tab to load the latest values and compare it with the values I have. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.